Hey guys, here is an overview of how to approach week B for social studies. I'm making this video because this is what it will look like other weeks in social studies as well. Alright, so I'm clicking on this week, August 24th to 28th. This PDF that says weekly objectives, you can look at it or you can ignore it. It's up to you. That's no big deal. Alright, so you have your 5 days. You have Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday when I will be teaching at 11, social studies. That's your green folders. Wednesday and Friday are the days that you will submit work. All right, so let's look at Monday. All right, so Monday we're going to do time and place in history, which is lesson 1 in social studies. On Tuesday we'll do lesson 2, and on Thursday we'll do lesson 3. All right, now there are some directions of how you will approach the lessons for the classes. Okay, so in class you'll take notes. There is a travel journal worksheet. Think of it like a study guide. It has questions and things to complete. These things will be homework to complete after class on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. These directions here will tell you that it will be due on Friday to be submitted. Okay, so let's read the directions together. It will tell you that don't put this off. You want to go ahead and print it out on Monday. Now, you can download one, a Word document, or two, a PDF version of the same document. That's going to be up to you. If you want to actually put your answers in the Word document, type them in there, that is great. If you want to actually make a PDF, take the PDF, and then do markup and write onto the PDF, that's also great. It's just you need to work on this each day, starting Monday. You'll want to save the document into your social studies folder on your device so you know where it is. Just a reminder. All right, so each day Mr. P will go through the lessons. On Monday, I will do Florida Virtual School Lesson 1.1. And in the Florida Virtual School, you will do page 6 and 7, as well as fill out the questions on the Travel Journal Study Guide worksheet. All right, and I'll show you what that looks like in a moment. Tuesday, we'll do lesson 2. You will, in Florida Virtual School, do the activity on page 3, 5, 7, and 8. Then on Thursday, we will do lesson 3. You'll do activities on the Florida Virtual School on page 7. Just a reminder, on Thursdays, there's stuff on 8 and 9, but you do not do it because it's asking you to create this project. We're not doing that, all right? Then on Friday, you will turn in the Word document that's on Monday here that I'm going to show you in just a second, or the PDF with your answers on it. I will not take any other options besides the Word document or the PDF marked up, all right? So you can't send me a picture. You can't do it on notebook paper. It's got to be done that way. All right, now let's look at Monday's options, okay? You have the Travel Journal Word document. You can download that and type in the document, a Word document, or the same document here is saved as a PDF. So let's say I wanted to do the PDF. All right, I would open that and I would download it to my iPad or my laptop, whatever you're using, and you will literally go through there after class on Monday, answer these questions on 1.1 that we talk about in class, not during class, after class, from your notes. Then Tuesdays will be 1.2 on the next page of this, and then on Thursday, you'll do section 3. All right, so then, as I said, on Friday, there will be a place for you to upload that. So I'm going to Friday right now to show you that. And if you get done if you finish it on Thursday afternoon and turn it in, good, that's great. You're done. You don't have to do it on Friday. So on Friday, you will go to this assignment right here. It says submit, and you will click on it. Now I'm going to view this as a student really quickly. View course as a student, and I'm just going to pick Bogley because he's the first one there. Yay. All right, so when I go there, here's what it will look at and show that. So I don't think it'll show you the thing when I click on it, actually, because it's not legitimately student. Okay, so over here will be the little submission place, and that's where you'll upload your completed answers for the section 1, 2, and 3 from the lessons all week. So it's an all-week document you're working on, and it will be a grade, and it will be a summative grade, all right? So just letting you know, and it'll be due by next Sunday night, the 30th. So that's how that looks. Now, one other thing about this week, there are two other things to do this week, and that's on Wednesday. On Wednesday of this week, you'll have a couple of quizzes that will also be graded. You can work on those and do them before Wednesday if you want, but that's the stuff that will get turned in social studies this week. You'll turn in these two quizzes, and then you'll turn in the completed study guide with all the correct answers from our notes of our lesson this week. All right, so again, really quick recap. Monday, get your document. Get a Word document version of it or a PDF. Same exact document. It's just two different versions of the same thing, depending on how you want to do it. Answer the questions through the week after class each day from your notes. You may use your notes, obviously, and you'll turn that in on Friday at the end of the week. All right. Thank you, guys.